So here we are trying to measure what? We are trying to measure the ripple factor. So first we will measure the VDC through the use of this waveform. So I've turned off channel 1. For channel 2, we will be measuring the VDC. So in order to measure the VDC, first we select this and then change the coupling to ground. Okay. So here the baseline is set to the middle. Okay. Now after you make sure that this baseline is at the middle, you change it to the DC. Now once you do this, you have to measure the VDC. How do you measure the VDC from this graph? Through the manual way, first you measure the V minimum. What is the minimum? From this baseline. So it is nearly 1.6. So 1.6 into multiply by 2 will give us 3.2. There will be a V minimum, and the V maximum will, in order to measure the V maximum, we change the position, horizontal position, and then measure this value once again. So this is 3.4 multiplied by 2 will give us 6.8. So therefore, the average of these two will be what? 5. So 5 is the VDC. Let's try to check whether we are getting the correct value or not. So we choose a measurement and then this is giving us a little bit different value. Okay. So one of you calculate करो. One of you measure this. So measurement से हम लोग यहाँ पे भी दिख रहा है ना. So 6.88 plus 3.12 divided by 2. So this is given us 5. Perfect.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how we measure the VDC. So VDC is coming to be 5. So once again we select channel 2 and then change the coupling to DC. So this is to measure the VRMS. To measure the VRMS, you add these two. Okay. You find the average of these two. So 1.92. Forget about the minus. So because here you are having, we want to find the VBP. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितना है? नेगेटिव में हमें यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक मेजर करना है. Simply add this to 1.92 plus 1.76. ठीक है? Now divide this by 2. Okay, and then divide this by what is Jabbar saying? 1.92 plus 1.76 divided by 2 into root 3. This is not root 2. Generally, we assume that in order to find RMS, we divide it by root 2. But root 2 is for what? Root 2 किसके लिए है? Root 2 is for the sine wave. But this is not sine wave. This is rather a rectangular kind of signal. So rectangle signal के लिए RMS जब निकालते हो ना, तो वो root 3 से डिवाइड होता है. यहाँ पे root 3 से डिवाइड करो 1.73. कितना आ रहा है? 2.42. अलग आ रहा है क्या?
सर पहले ऐड करके फिर डिवाइड करो.
हाँ वो अलग हो रहा है.
ऐड करो. पहले ऐड करके इक्वल करो.
यहाँ पे भी ब्रैकेट लगाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ
सेम ही तो है ना. ओके.
1.06.
ओके. So this is now coming to be correct.
Equals to फिर डिवाइड करो.
Divided by 5. So 0.21. So this is how you should be calculating the. तो अगर हम लोग यहाँ से भी मेजर कर लेते हैं, है ना? यहाँ से भी ट्राई करके देखते हैं. Want to do it through the use of multimeter. Let's first measure the VAC. है ना? क्या हो गया? हिल गया. कुछ हिल गया. VAC पहले मेजर कर लेते हैं क्योंकि वो न्यूमरेटर में आता है. VAC मेजर किया 1. लगभग बराबर आ रहा है क्या?
1.1
है ना?
यस.
लगभग बराबर आ रहा है.
Yes.
VDC के लिए इसको चेंज करो। एकदम परफेक्ट, राइट? So this is the correct procedure, and you guys are the first people to learn the correct procedure in the entire institute.